everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sydney and I have a lot of videos on shoes, and I've mentioned this before, but I did go a little crazy in the month of April with purchasing shoes. So if you enjoy sneaker content, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I have so many videos coming that are kind of behind. So I'll try to do 2 to 3 videos a week until I'm all caught up. I know that I probably posted the Hyper Royal unboxing first because that was the most recent release, but I have another one today that was pretty recent, so let's get into it. Few things about this. I got these on the Sneakers app. And in my Hyper Royal video, which I also got those on the Sneakers app because I've been very lucky this month. But in that video, I talk a little bit about how for the shoes that I'm about to show you and the Hyper Royals, I did the same method where I logged on 15 minutes before the launch and they had a little story on these shoes. I just clicked through that and somehow I got a W. Same with Hyper Royals. Obviously, you want to interact with the app as much as possible. So if there's a shoe you want, make sure you add it to your little favorites. You click notify me, log onto the app. Just try for as many shoes as you can, even if it's not a shoe that you want for personal. But I do think all those things help you. And I think that watching the stories, I think that from now on I'm going to do that because it seems to be working. This shoe I'm going to unbox, but I'll be honest with you guys, I've already worn it. Like, I could not wait for these shoes. I don't know why, because usually I'm pretty good. I'm like, okay, like, you know, I'll wait a little bit, but these ones I threw on like immediately. So if you know the box, this is the Raging Bulls 5. It had a like special box, I think, or the Toro Bravos, whatever you want to call them. But even right here, it says Toro Bravo, which is kind of cute. But yeah, like I said, I've worn these. So my boyfriend told me to get these because he had the ones from 2009 or whatever, and he wanted these so bad, and I got them and he didn't. I think he'll get them when they launch again because similar to the University Blues, the Hyper Royals, a lot of these shipments were delayed. So I know, for example, Foot Locker didn't get them in stock, so they'll be having reservations once they get them. Seems to be a recurring trend that we're seeing with shoes coming out. So you'll have more opportunities to try to get these for retail. So I said the same about Hyper Royals. Just wait until everything's like there's no more restocks, because then the market price is going to go down too. But for all you know, you could get it at retail before then. I'm typically a ones person, so when I put these on, I was like, these are so much more comfortable than ones, because like ones are a very flat shoe and there's more support in this shoe. But I love this. Like, the red is so vibrant. I love it. You have the 3M tongue. So I think like the main difference between these and the ones from 2009 were the sole like was not this like icy blue color. So you can barely even tell I wore them. Yeah, the red suede's just so nice and they're so vibrant. You have like this clear plastic netting. This 23 is stitched here. That's what the inside of the shoe looks like. So I just wanted to get on here and show you these real quick. I know that there's actually been a ton of videos on these shoes, even like people I'm subscribed to. I feel like I've seen so many videos on this shoe, so I'm sure you all are like pretty familiar with it. I got these in my normal size, a men's 7.5, which is a women's 9. And when I have these on foot, I actually really like the way that they look on my feet. I think they like surprisingly make your feet look small, which is like I wasn't really expecting because it is a pretty bulky shoe. But yeah, so I will insert some clips of these on my feet for reference. So here they are on the feet. So as I mentioned, I have worn these before. Also, sorry, I know my pants don't match. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.